Many popular language learning apps help users memorize vocabulary and grammar. However, they fall short in helping users build confidence in using that knowledge in real conversations. According to a Michigan State University study, learners who use the app like Duolingo struggle to use the language in actual conversations. In fact, in one survey, over 50% of users said these apps did improve their speaking skills. Speakly addresses this gap by immersing users in practical AI-driven conversation scenarios and connecting them with peers at similar levels. This will help them develop not just knowledge but also fluency and confidence. Let's start with Speakly's community feature. From the navbar, we can access the Friends page, where users can see an overview of their friends, incoming requests, and recommendations. Each card shows a user's learning level and the main language they are learning. Clicking your friends opens a searchable list by username with filters by language. On the user profile, you can see additional information about the user. In this case, Alice is learning Japanese, with her main focus being French. You can also see your goals, availability, and interests. Users can also message, call, or challenge their friends. Messaging supports text, voice, and images, and you can invite users to start group chats. Calling lets users toggle their mic and video and invite others as well. If a user wants to challenge someone, they can send them a request. You can also unfriend users and a confirmation will follow to prevent mistakes. To add new friends, use the plus button or go to the Find Friends page. Let's view Philip's profile. Since he's not yet a friend, calling is disabled for safety, but messaging and challenges are still available. Once a request is sent and accepted, calling is displayed. We will now go over the AI conversation feature. By clicking on the speech icon in the navbar, users can practice having conversation for different scenarios. Users can also select the language they want, in this case we'll keep it as French, and practice ordering at a cafe. In the scenario, captions can be toggled and responses are recorded by holding a button. Users can also choose to exit the scenario completely or end the conversation once they're done practicing. When you end the conversation, the feedback option will show up. On the feedback page, you can get an overview on vocabulary, pronunciation, and tone. Clicking on one will provide more details such as successes, improvements, and new words introduced. You can also copy feedback or share it. Back on the main feedback page, you can find the transcript option. Users can listen and read to what they said and see colored errors based on severity. Users are also provided a sample of a correct error-free response, and finally, users can go back to the main feedback page and exit to the scenario list.